In this video, we're taking a closer look at the 5 best RUIZU MP3 players for 2025. Whether you're all about music on the go, podcasts, or audiobooks, these players offer great value and performance. Let's jump into the top picks that will elevate your audio experience this year. Number 5. RUIZU D16 Mp3 Music Player. The RUIZU D16 Mp3 Music Player is an all-in-one portable device that offers a blend of quality, functionality, and convenience. Designed for those who enjoy a truly immersive listening experience, it supports Bluetooth connectivity and comes equipped with a built-in HiFi speaker, making it perfect for on-the-go music lovers. The player supports various lossless audio formats like a PEFLA CM3 and WAV, allowing you to enjoy crystal clear sound. With independent decoding for a PE and FLAC formats, it delivers high-quality audio playback with enhanced bass and clarity. You can also sync lyrics with the music, making your listening experience even more engaging. The device features a durable CNC metal case, ensuring it is both stylish and resistant to wear and pressure. It also offers a wide range of functions, including the ability to read ebooks, watch videos, and listen to FM radio. The 1.8-inch screen has a resolution of 128 by 160 pixels, and the device supports up to 128 GB of expandable storage via a TF card, allowing you to store thousands of songs or ebooks. The RUIZU D16 also boasts an impressive battery life, offering 65 to 80 hours of song playback or 9 hours of video playback on a single charge. It even includes features like an alarm clock, stopwatch, and the ability to record audio. Number 4. RUIZU C1 Metal. The RUIZU C1 Metal Bluetooth 5.0 MP3 music player is a versatile and compact device designed to enhance your music, study, and entertainment experience. With its 2.4-inch full touchscreen, this player allows easy navigation and offers a smooth interface for accessing all its features. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, it provides seamless connectivity to wireless headphones or speakers, while the built-in speaker delivers clear, high-quality sound. This player is perfect for students and anyone looking to learn English, as it includes features like variable speed playback, a B-repeat, and synchronized lyrics display. These tools help improve listening skills, comprehension, and memory retention. The RUIZU C1 Metal is also a great ebook reader. Its large screen allows for a comfortable reading experience, while the device supports various formats for reading textbooks or extracurricular books on the go. You can also enjoy video playback in AMV and AVI formats, perfect for watching your favorite content. With the FM radio feature, you can listen to your favorite stations and stay updated with the latest news. Additionally, the built-in high-definition noise reduction recording function allows you to capture clear audio in class or meetings, making it an excellent tool for study and work. Overall, the RUIZU C1 Metal MP3 music player is an all-in-one device that combines music, learning, and entertainment into a sleek and user-friendly package. Number 3. RUIZU D16 Mp3 Music Player. The RUIZU D16 Mp3 Music Player is a feature-packed device that offers exceptional functionality in a compact design. It comes with a 2.4-inch curved screen that provides a panoramic view and high-definition display, making it ideal for both music and video playback. The screen is designed with high-transmittance curved glass, offering bright and clear visuals for an enjoyable viewing experience. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, the D16 allows for seamless wireless connection, enabling you to listen to your favorite music without any interruptions. The device supports lossless sound quality, ensuring you enjoy music in its purest form. It also offers a variety of video formats, including AMV and AV, allowing you to watch videos on the go. For students and professionals, the RUIZU D16 is equipped with a high-definition recording feature, perfect for capturing meeting minutes or class lectures. Additionally, the device includes a B-repeat and variable playback speeds, which are excellent for improving language learning and memory retention. The RUIZU D16 also includes a multifunctional e-book reader with features like bookmarks, page numbers, and customizable brightness settings, providing an excellent way to enjoy reading while on the move. You can also tune into FM radio for added entertainment. With its sleek design, powerful features, and ease of use, the RUIZU D16 MP3 music player is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and portable multimedia device. Number 2. RUIZU D16. The RUIZU D16 is a compact and feature-packed Bluetooth MP3 player designed for music lovers, students, and anyone on the go. With a sleek magnesium alloy body, this device is available in 2 colors, black and silver, and features a 2.4-inch HD screen with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. Equipped with Bluetooth 4.0, the RUIZU D16 allows you to connect wireless Bluetooth headsets or speakers, giving you flexibility in how you enjoy your music. The built-in speaker provides clear audio for when you don't want to use headphones. It also supports high-definition sound recording, perfect for capturing meeting notes or class lectures in MP3 format. For video enthusiasts, the D16 supports AMV and a VI video playback, allowing you to watch your favorite content on the go, though videos need to be converted to the proper format using a converter tool which is provided. The device also supports FM radio with the ability to record radio broadcasts, adding an extra layer of entertainment. With 8 GB of built-in memory and support for microSD cards, up to 128 GB, the D16 offers ample storage for your music, videos, and ebooks. The ebook feature supports TXT files and includes bookmarks for easier navigation. The RUIZU D16 is powered by a 500 mAh battery, providing up to 80 hours of music playback. It's a versatile, portable media player for all your entertainment needs. Number 1. RUIZU, a 58 Sport MP3 Player. The RUIZU, a 58 Sport MP3 Player, is a powerful, lossless music player that brings superior sound quality to your ears. Equipped with a 2.0-inch full-touch, IPS high-definition screen, this device offers intuitive control and exceptional visuals. One of the standout features of the RUIZU A58 is its full-format audio decoding, which supports a wide range of audio formats, including M3, FLAC-SD, WAV, and more, providing a true HiFi lossless sound experience. The player supports 24-bit and 192 kHz ESD256 decoding, which offers deep, high-fidelity sound with remarkable clarity, revealing even the smallest details in music. With an output power of 10 mW at 32 ohms, it delivers clear and powerful sound when paired with high-quality headphones. The RUIZU A58 is also equipped with an EQ equalizer that offers 7 preset sound filters like rock, jazz, classical, and custom settings, allowing you to adjust the sound to match your personal taste. This makes it an ideal player for audiophiles who want the best sound quality in every genre. In addition to its stellar audio capabilities, the RUIZU A58 supports ebook reading in TXT format, allowing you to enjoy books while listening to music. It also features a memory expansion option with support for up to 128 GB of additional storage via a microscard, ensuring you can store all your favorite music and ebooks. There you have it, the 5 best RUIZU MP3 players for 2025. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Let us know which player caught your eye in the comments below. See you in the next video.